The Magical Mountain and its Animal Friends. Once upon a time, there was a magical mountain called Harmony Peak. This mountain was home to many animals who lived happily together. There were playful rabbits, wise old owls, colorful butterflies, and even a friendly bear named Benny. One sunny morning, Benny the bear woke up early. He decided to go on an adventure to the top of Harmony Peak. On his way, he met his friend, Ruby the rabbit. "Good morning, Ruby," Benny greeted. "Good morning, Benny. Where are you going?" Ruby asked with curiosity. "I'm going to the top of the mountain. Do you want to come with me?" Benny invited. "Sure. Let's go," Ruby exclaimed, hopping along. As they climbed higher, they met Ollie the owl, who was perched on a tree branch. "Hello, Ollie," they called out. "Hello, my friends. Where are you headed?" Ollie asked. "We're going to the top of Harmony Peak. Would you like to join us?" Benny and Ruby asked. "I'd love to. Let's fly," Ollie said, flapping his wings. Together, Benny, Ruby, and Ollie continued their journey. Along the way, they met Bella the butterfly, who was fluttering around colorful flowers. "Hi, Bella," they said. "Hi, everyone. What are you up to?" Bella inquired. "We're on an adventure to the top of Harmony Peak. Do you want to come along?" they asked. "Of course. Let's go," Bella cheered, joining the group. The friends climbed and flew together, helping each other along the way. Finally, they reached the top of Harmony Peak. The view was breathtaking. They could see the entire forest below, with the sun shining brightly. "This is amazing," Ruby exclaimed. "Yes, it is. But do you know what's even more amazing?" Benny asked. "What?" his friends asked eagerly. "That we did it together," Benny said with a big smile. The animals agreed. They realized that their friendship made the journey special. From that day on, Benny, Ruby, Ollie, and Bella always remembered that the best adventures are the ones shared with friends. And so, the magical mountain and its animal friends lived happily ever after, always ready for new adventures together.